problem.
Fish first.
Yeah, the injections are very good.
I wish I yesterday, last night. Fish first.
You guys got him. That's okay. Get the fish in.
Fish first. You guys all signed the waiver, right?
No waiver.
When it says fish first. You have to get that thing out.
If they asked, we came out here with 3 people. Rollers. Hey, Sean? Usually, I'm going to put that right there.
Usually it says up top.
Can't reach it up top.
Well, here, put it, there's empty right holder back there.
Oh, okay.
Hey, they make the leg, they're spread so thin, because anybody who's going to keep the guys from shooting the innocent people and carjacking and burning houses, they goes all for it, whatever.
The correct does it all that.
As long as they off. There you go, Rich.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, he's
That's a smallmouth bass. Smallmouth bass.
No, you still got it?
That's a small one.
He came out of the water.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was a marlin.
But guys, we
got the marlin.
You got that line up. Yeah, you got a couple lines up. You little bastard. Oh, now he's got my line. You want me to net him? No, because he's got everything all wrapped up. Alright, go. You're underneath this rod, so let me reel him in. I'm going to go. Now we got all of them. That's about
These are the surface,
yeah. Get him the fuck out there. Any players? I'm better off not doing nothing.
Yeah, these are good fish.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm on the plate.
Where is it? Right there by the worm. Okay, for Mike?
You keep smallies, Mike? Oh, no.
We kept the one on last Saturday.
Not bad, small.
Not too shabby.
Now, finally, right here.
That wasn't even hooked up. All we got is the line.
Two times? He worked out at Detroit Receiving. He was a male RN. Male RNs make really, really good money, especially when they work in trauma hospitals. You can get a job anywhere in the world. Well, he was a contract nurse, so he traveled around a lot, but he was at Detroit Receiving at the time. He goes, yeah, every hospital I've been at, he goes, I've tapped about every single nurse that works there. Oh, yeah. Nurse, doctor, anesthesiologist. He goes, like, it's a great job for meeting women. I go, well, you going to tie down? He goes, I don't know, man. He goes, I live at home with Mom. Take care of Mom. He does all kind of stuff, and there's pretty Jeeps driving girls around in. It's crazy how them girls are. All them nurses and shit. They're young, they're making good money. Oh, I got a walleye. Yeah? Yeah.
What's the matter?
I had some weeds. Quiet walleye. Alright, oh! Or not. It was quiet. Like I thought I had some weeds, I got a walleye on.
Bring the boat around and go the other way. I want to get on that side.
Drop it back in the net. Rookie.
Catch your finger, man. Catch your finger. Just one. Forward Joe. Come on.
An amateur. I was playing with these other rods. I didn't even, I'm rolling it in. It's coming in like seaweed. Who knows how long?
How long has he been out there? He's all tired out. He's playing. He didn't alien. Didn't
like put that net behind him.
Well, we see him look good. The guy we did our CPO class, Roy, He goes, he's got a couple of drug dealer guys.
My old man called me this morning to go to breakfast.
Called me at 7:30.
I know it was a customer or something, so I answered the phone. Hello, you know. I wasn't even out of bed yet. And I'm not going to go with you today. You got a bite of this one here. Get this one here. Just dropped that down there, didn't you?
Rick, go up there and turn the wheel over the left, please.
Let me get you home.
All right, you straighten it out.
Bring him straight.
Really cuts out. Fast are going.
One.
Holy shit. Holy shit. That's got to be a sheep. Nah, there's one wild ass walleye. Yeah. Oh, nice fight.
That's what she said.
That's a big rock, too. Kicking your ass. Yeah, you're good. This is cool. I like it. That's the way. You're right, buddy. This side. Oh my God! And you woo! That way. That way. Right. Right. City? Hey, you gotta come on the boat. Good. Backing up.
I think we're going to have to weigh him.
Wow! That is a big fucking fish.
It's a big fucking
You gotta open your bail, Rich.
I think he needs 6-7 pounds.
Not more than that. He wasn't coming off.
No, he's hooked good. Got him out there.
Opposite side, both parts broke. Opposite sides of the jaw. These
Really?
guys don't have teeth, do they?
Here, wait, just pick her up by the
No.
scale. Just put the scale underneath his scale and weigh him.
Oh, you fucking slime thing.
I was going to say, man, that's a man. Fucking fish.
Jesus Christ.
Definitely good. Time to go. 8:28. 7?